How to create an NFT digital art picture for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can create an NFT digital art for free, how you can create pixel NFTs for free. So let's get started. So what you have to do is, we know that NFTs are trending nowadays and everybody wants to create their own NFT collection. And when it comes to NFTs, Pixel NFTs are actually one of the very famous NFTs that you can create, a digital art that you can sell for thousands of dollars as NFTs. So today I am going to show you how you can create your Pixel NFT for free and very easily. So what you have to do is simply go to this platform right here, which is called Pixelartcom. It is a completely free platform that allows you to create your own pixel art, and you don't even have to sign up for pixel art. You simply go to pixelart.com and you will land on this canvas right here. In here we have a lot of different tools to work with, and we create our pixel artwork. So this is where I have personally created my NFTs, my pixel NFTs for free with pixelart.com. So once you will open up pixelart.com, this is where you will get. Let me show you around some of the tools and then we will start creating our own pixel art NFT. So you will find different tools in here. These are the basic, tools that we get in all of the editing, different platforms. So we have a pencil, erasers, we have brush tools, we have bucket tool, we have lighten and darken, we have text, we have spray tan, we have gradient tool, filter tool, hand tool, and crop tool. So this is going to be the primary color and secondary color of the canvas that we have. So this is a blank canvas right here, and the art we are going to be creating, this is going to be a pixel art. In here we have different colors that you can select, and then we have the preview option. Then we have layers. In layers we can actually create layers. If you know editing and if you know how to actually draw something, you might know that we actually draw in layers. So as a beginner it's completely okay. This is like a basic thing. For example, you can create a background layer that is going to be pink. You can lock that layer and then you cannot edit it out. You can erase something from one layer but it will stay in the other layer. So that is how it works. Let's start with our process. I am going to go and select a brush tool. There you go. And let's go with a pink color, or maybe I can simply go with a bucket tool and I can simply select a color. So I have given pink color as a background to my NFT. This is going to be the background. So what I have to do is, this is the first layer that I have. Now I can draw on this layer, or I can actually create a new layer if I want to. So what you have to do is, you simply go to normal right here. This is like the normal layer. So this is the layer option. If I want to create a new layer, or if I want to lock this one, I can simply go ahead and lock and unlock this one. Or if I want to create a new layer, what I have to do is simply click on this plus icon and it allows me to add a new layer. So I will simply go for layer 1. This is the background. This is the layer 1. So I will select layer 1. And then you also get all of the options right here. We have file option, we have colors, we have select, layer, settings, download, undo, and redo. So we have pink, the layer 1. Let's go to brush and let's go for maybe blue and let's start drawing something. So the brush size, let's go to brush in here. So brush size is 12. Let me decrease the brush size and let me see. Okay, I think we should go with 4. So I have this brush. So you will see actually this is all pixel. So I will actually create a face right here. So I have kind of like created this outline in here. So I will simply go with the same color and bucket tool, and I'm kind of like gonna fill in everything in here. So what you have to do is, you will notice that we are working with pixels, and in pixels what happens is, each pixel can have a different color. Pixel simply means these small boxes, and we work with these, we draw on these. So this is going to be a pixel NFT. So this is my face and I have created a blue face. Kind of like ignore my drawing skills because I am not a professional, and that is why it is a beginner's tutorial. So I am actually going with this color again. So now I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like smooth it out a bit. There you go. So this is my face that I have created. Now what I am going to do is I will go with the color black and the same brush, but I will decrease the size of the brush from here. And now I'm gonna just draw eyes. There you go. So these are my eyes, and for the nose, it is going to be this. There you go. So this is my face that I have created for this pixel. In here, perfect. There you go. So this is the face that I have drawn. So this is like a basic thing that I did. So this is how you can also create a pixel art. You can just, draw anything you want to. Let me show you around some of the tools that you actually have an idea. This is a stamp tool that will allow you to create a stamp. This is where sometimes to kind of like, if you're not a good graphic designer like me, you're not a professional, you don't know drawing, so you can actually go with all of these different stamps, and they will allow you to create these pixels already. So I can simply go with a rocket and I can just select it. You can see right here, this is going to be a stamp and I can add it right here. So if I just want to kind of like remove this one from here, this was on layer 2. Okay, let me remove this layer. And what is going to happen is, because we worked on the layer, I can simply delete this layer. You can see right here, everything is vanished because it was on a layer. So let's go to stamp again and select rocket. Perfect. So you can see this is a pixel NFT. Now I can actually edit anything I want to. To move something, you simply click right here and then you select, and then you can simply go ahead and move it wherever you want to. This is the move tool. Simply click on that and then you can move it wherever you like. You can change the color of your anything you want to. We have other stamps as well. I can simply go with fire in here. Perfect. So now what I can do is I can put it anywhere I want to. If you want to rotate it, you can go ahead and rotate it as well. So you can add as many elements you want to. In here, this is the move tool. It will allow you to move. We have stamps, we have different brushes and different erasers as well. So you simply draw any pixel NFT you want to with pixelart.com. So once you have drawn anything you want to, I wanted to show you around the platform. So once you're done, you simply click on file and then you can export and download it from here. Make sure to export it in pixels, and you can actually go ahead and export it as an image as well, PNG or any other file, because we know we have different platforms that allow you to add different NFTs. You can add your pixel NFT on OpenSea if you want to. Go ahead and add it on OpenSea or any other platform, any NFT platform. Once you have your NFTs, you can simply start creating pixel NFTs on pixelart.com for free and start selling them on OpenSea.io to make thousands of dollars. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use pixelart.com to create your digital art NFTs and sell them on any NFT platform. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.